Okay guys, so it's really important to acknowledge something here. As much as I love my computer, I don't like being stuck behind it all day. I spend most of my time having to do Zoom calls for grad school, editing videos for grad school or for the channel, or even just playing video games and goofing off and wasting my time on YouTube. I think one of the biggest reasons I started this vlog was so I could get away from that habit and not be doing that. And since the world hasn't really fully opened back up yet, it's kind of hard for me to kind of put the level of energy I want to into the vlogs and get what I really want out of it, which is just to have a good time. But I think this is a great opportunity for us to realize that there's a beautiful world out there that we just have to go outside and explore. Yeah, this is gonna be a nature vlog, but don't worry, there's some fun stuff in it too. Let's go.
We'll do it live. Do it live. I can write it and we'll do it live. Thing sucks. Hey.
Huh?
Fall over. You go, sister.
That cat is on a leash.
Should I pee outside? Is that a question?
Do it.
It might not work.
Wow,
It's
that's
dead.
Oh god, Jesus Christ, is it really dead? I don't like
It is dead.
Can you really taste him? Wow. How many volts is it?
Come look at it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm gonna die. If you did that, you would literally freak out and probably throw up. Do you understand that?
I need to charge that.
It's 3.8 kilovolts.
My name is Jeff.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. Mic check. Daddy needs a brand new pair of rollerblades. I got you, boys.
Good shit.